Open the SWM Deoghar application on your POS machine. The user will be redirected to the login page. Enter your login credentials and click the login button. Upon logging in successfully, user will be taken directly to the tax collector menu list. Select Search Consumer to view consumer details and initiate the payment process. To find specific consumer information, users can apply filters to refine their search results. Upon clicking the search option, the consumer details will be displayed. Proceed by clicking on the View Details option to continue with the process. After selecting View and Pay, the demand details will be displayed along with payment options. Select the payment month and payment mode, then click on the Pay Now button. The user will be asked for confirmation. Continue the process by clicking on the Proceed button. A QR code will be displayed. Scan the QR code to make the payment. After a successful payment, the user will receive the payment receipt. Select the Send e-charge slip option. Enter the mobile number in the corresponding field, and then click on the Send option. A confirmation message will be displayed indicating that the charge slip has been successfully sent to the consumer. By clicking on the Print option, the user will receive a printed receipt. Upon completion, a transaction successful confirmation message will appear. By clicking the OK option, the user will be redirected to the payment receipt. Upon selecting the Print option, the user will receive the receipt.